Thank you for your recent purchase of the Bluewave soft tissue diode laser from Clinician's Choice. Today I'm going to help you unpack your Bluewave laser. I'll review the kit contents so that you are familiar with all of the components and you can get started using your Bluewave laser right away. When unboxing the Bluewave laser, the first thing you will see inside is the kit content package with a few various items. Inside this package are 25 disposable laser sleeves. These laser sleeves can be used to cover the Bluewave handpiece so that after every procedure you can simply dispose of them without having to worry about additional disinfecting. Next, there is a warranty card. This covers important warranty information, so please look this over carefully. At Clinician's Choice, we also include online laser training. If you or any members of your staff would like to do an online CE training, we do have some options for you. Here is the directions for use. This will go over all the indications and contraindications for this unit. Lastly, and probably the most important piece in here, is the danger warning sign. This should be displayed outside of any operatory that you are practicing laser dentistry in. It is necessary to warn patients or other members of your staff that laser procedures are taking place in the office. Now we will review the Bluewave laser unit. Inside, you will see the wireless foot pedal. The wireless foot pedal comes pre-paired to your unit, so you should be able to use it right out of the box. Next, you have a 5-pack of cutting tips. These are the disposable laser tips to be used for each patient, one-time use. Here is the Bluewave laser unit and the handpiece. The handpiece is magnetic, so please make sure you always store it in this way. This fiber optic cable is made of glass and can break, so be very careful with this component. This is the power supply to plug the unit into the wall to charge it. It is battery powered, so you don't have to have it always plugged in, but it is a good idea to charge it at the end of the night. Here are the keys to activate your unit. This is another safety precaution to make sure the unit is not accidentally used. The Bluewave comes with 3 sets of laser safety glasses. These glasses should be worn any time the laser is being used. You have one set for the operating clinician. There is another set for anybody in the operatory assisting with that procedure, and then, of course, a set for the patient. This is to make sure there is no harm done to the retinas. And there you have all the components for your Bluewave laser. Now that your laser is unpacked, we're going to turn the laser unit on. To turn it on, look at the back of the unit. Take the supplied keys, place them into the key slot here, and twist them on. That unlocks the laser unit. Now for additional safety, turn on the power button. You should hear an activation beep, and now your Bluewave laser is ready to be used. If you have additional comments, questions, or concerns, please consult the directions for use in the unit or online, or feel free to call any of our local Clinician's Choice representatives.